So this is a training session going on. This tool is going to take off the rim. So all the techs are learning to use this. This makes changing tires around on rims a snap. And there you go. We flipped it around and now he's doing the other side. And just like that, it's off the rim. He's going to spin it a little bit more. I would call this a productive training session, wouldn't you? Now we're going to get it completely off.
This is what you adjust for the rims, right? Bigger rims, but this is smaller, so you have to adjust it for it to fit. Close to there. Watch this. Here's the tool.
They are all going to end up taking turns.
You shall move the weights.
And now, and off the tire goes.